Hello! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your wiper blade on your own. So this one is Ford Ecosport 2019 and I'm using 16 inches and 22 inches. So let's get started. First, you have to pull down. Just watch how my hands do it and then look at that. This one is I'm using only or an ordinary wiper blade. I just bought this one on Ace Hardware for only 129 pesos. So okay, let's put this one back on, and all you have to do is same procedure. You have to insert that one, and then you have to this one is we have to pull up and then wait for the click. Yeah, that's it. Easy, right?